Hi kindergarten and welcome to math time. So today in math we are going to continue working with things if we find out if there is enough of something, if there are fewer. So that's something that we're going to learn today is if there are fewer than something else. So my first example that I want to show us is I have some friends here and I have some boxes and I want to make sure each one of my friends gets a box. So I have to make sure that I have the same number. So I have the same number of boxes as I have friends to make sure that there is enough. So let's count out how many friends I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 friends. And these are the boxes I have. So let's see how many boxes I have. 1, 2, 3, 4. So those numbers aren't the same. So let me see if I have enough, if I have any left over. So if I start matching them, so I put a friend to a box. So each friend gets one box. Well, now I have one friend right here who doesn't have a box. So I have fewer boxes than I have friends. So I have fewer boxes than I have friends. So I have one extra friend, so I need one more box. So if I did this, now I have the same number of boxes as I have friends. So the numbers are the same. So I have enough. Now, what if I did this? So remember, I'm still working and I'm trying to make sure that I have the same number of boxes as I have friends. So now I have 1, 2, 3 friends and I have some boxes down here. So let me see if I have the same. So if I connect here, well, one of my friends doesn't have a box. So there are fewer boxes than there are friends. So what do I need to do? I need to add another box. So I add another box, and then if I connect them, you see now I have the same number of friends as boxes. So there's enough for everyone. So that's what we're working on. If there are fewer, so that means that there are less, or if there is the same number, so the same amount. That's what we're looking at today. So if you guys go into your packet and you get out your nice math paper for today, remember your name goes at the top, practice writing your name really nicely. Then your first direction here is count the objects. Circle the set that has fewer. So you're going to count the ladybugs and then you're going to count these leaves and you're going to see, is there fewer ladybugs or fewer leaves? And you're going to circle which one. You may pause my video after I read these so you can go along with my video and do this paper. Once you've done that, it says draw more ladybugs so there are the same number of ladybugs as leaves. So you want these numbers to match. Now you're going to do the same thing down here with your peaches and watermelon slices. So you're going to count the objects and then circle the set that has fewer. So circling the set that has fewer. And then you're going to draw more of one of them so that the numbers match. And then on the back, draw suns and stars. Draw fewer suns than stars. So you're drawing fewer suns than you are stars. Remember, fewer means that there are less. So if I have 2 suns, or if I have 2 stars, I need to draw fewer suns. So I have 2 stars and I want fewer suns. So if I did this as an example, so I have 2 stars. Now I want to have fewer suns. So that means less suns. So I can draw 1. Just like that. So I have 1 sun and 2 stars. So I have fewer suns. So That's what we are working on today. That's what you're doing on your math page. So go ahead and get started with that and do your very best.